Fish curry. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. In a grinder jar, take 1.5 cup freshly grated coconut, 3 tablespoons red chili powder. I have used Bedki chilies for this recipe. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 4 garlic cloves, and 1 small onion. Add water as required and grind to a fine paste. Transfer this paste to a thick bottomed vessel. Add water as required to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Switch on the gas and cook on medium flame. Add salt and bring to a boil. Now add 10 to 12 kokum, or you can use 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp instead of kokum. 5 slit green chilies, I have used 500 grams kingfish, locally known as surmai. Fish was marinated with 1 teaspoon salt for 15 minutes. Wash off the salt before adding fish in the gravy. Simmer over medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame. Kingfish curry or surmai curry is ready to be served. Serve with plain rice, chapati or bhakri. This masala paste can also be used to make pomfret, black pomfret and kingfish curry. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below.